The most recent event of Lake Oroville is one that defies all expectations. The Oroville Dam, located on the Feather River in Northern California, plays a crucial role in providing water supply, hydroelectric power, and flood control to the region. Despite years of intense drought, the lake has recently been declared to have reached 100% capacity after a series of atmospheric river storms in January and February. This boosted the Sierra Nevada snowpack and the state's drought-stricken reservoirs in ways no one could have imagined. The event is regarded as a breakthrough, as it is the first time Lake Oroville has reached 100% capacity since 2017.
Now at 5:30, Lake Oroville full for the first time in more than a decade. Tonight, it's less than a foot from the top.
Since December 1st, 2022, the water level of the lake has remarkably risen by over 240 feet, thanks to a tremendous influx of 2.5 million acre-feet of water from a series of powerful winter storms and melting deep snowpack.